Magasan Fjord, and today I'm going to review trading platform capital.com. So the first thing I'm gonna tell you is the mistake I made yesterday. It was a huge mistake. Actually, I bought so-called Ripple, not in USD but in Euro. So the problem was yesterday is that I bought it only for around 80 euro. So these are the quantities. But the problem is when I was buying the price, as you can see even now, so there is a difference between sell price and buy price. So for example, today the price of sell is 0.42165 and the buy is 0.43724. So it's not a big difference, it's just like 1.5 cent. And yesterday it was 0.46 and the buy was 0.48. So barely it's 2 cents. Just now consider that. Just 2 cents. Now, yesterday I bought the amount of 80 euro. The problem is that just 2 cents, it's very big difference actually. And when I bought, I immediately saw 4.5 euro minus difference. So that was huge. And the problem is now that the Ripple is going down and down and down. So as you can see, this is the price I bought, and so I bought it around this time, I guess, and it was going down and down and down, and then it get better, but it went even worse today. And I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I don't know what to do. But the problem is, guys, when you buy something, just take a look how in percentage, not in the amount. For example, 1 cent. What does it mean? Just 1 cent. But when it's 0.42, that's 1 cent, 2 cents can be very big difference. 1 cent, that would be minus 2 euro point 2, so just 2 euros, so that's fine. But 2 cents difference is 4.5 euro minus immediately when you buy something. So guys, consider that. It's very important because you start already with a minus and you need to catch up. And so 48, it's huge difference. And when you buy like, so I bought like this 46, and you can imagine it can pass many days until it comes back. So guys, that's very important because, for example, when you see the Bitcoin USD, so the difference here is just, let's say, from 30 to 45 euro, or yeah, USD. So but amount is almost 50,000 USD. So the amount, the margin, the difference of 30 euro is so small, it's much smaller. So when you buy, you will not see, I guess you will not see even 1 euro difference when you buy at 80 euro amount, maybe like 20 cents, 30 cents, I don't know, you need to check this out. But the thing is that, guys, when you buy something, just take a look how different is it. So now take a look at this one, 0.05389. So here is also 0.005, but then 3, and the bi-digit it's 6. So we're not talking about 1 cent even. We're talking about 0.3 cent, which is really small. But the problem is that the difference is very huge. And 0.3 cent, okay, so for example, let's compare with the Ripple, and that would be, okay, 0. So that was 2 cent difference. and here is 0.03, but it's just, oh, so in this case it's no zero after 1 0, and it's 2. So basically, if I would buy this one, buy for this price, immediately I would see even bigger difference that I bought yesterday Ripple. That would be not 4.5 minus immediate, but it would be like 7, between 7, 7.5, no, between 6 and 5, 6.5, €7 difference. So minus, so you would have very huge minus. So I would not recommend to buy this kind of stocks, because crypto stock, because you will get instant minus, and it doesn't. And just take a look how long it would take you to get 0.056. So you buy at 0.0. Okay, it doesn't look quite long way to make, but just take in mind that you will get instant minus. So if you go down, and you will get even worse, but if you go up, you can reach it quite fastly. But okay, but just take a look at 5 minutes difference. So 0.565. So it's more or less like this. And as you can see, okay, so it dropped today after lunch. So it could take more than half day to catch it up, and 0.56. So even in the best case, in the middle of the day, you would reach that, and it would be very fast, sell. So guys, that's very important. Don't make that kind of mistake. It's very important. And okay, so we have this portfolio, and we have the report. I really like this application, but what I don't like is this overnight fee, and you pay even like for amount. For example, for it's like every night you pay this, you pay, and of course I made some plus, but now I'm in a little bit minus. So I don't know about this. I'm quite okay with this capital.com trading platform. I really recommend. And but just be curious, guys. Just find out before you buy something. Just take a look, and you can find very interesting information: top risers, top fallers, most volatile. And that's very interesting thing. And oh my God, we have here a lot of minus today. And of course, let's see the indexes, and that's very indexes. Wow, we have really huge minus here in US. So probably today is not the best day to buy, and just be, yeah, it's not, it's really not. So, but it can be better, it can catch up. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So be cautious and don't risk. Just you have to know what you are buying. So stay tuned. Peace out.